Jake Ketterer with Ketterer Homes, and this is Ron Kessler. When he came into town, I was doing a flip downtown, and I asked him to make a custom mantle for me, and I was blown away by his skills. And then he started doing these amazing chop boards. So tell me a little bit, Ron, about your business and your business name and what you got going on right here.
Yeah, absolutely. So my business name is project633.com. Website's still in process. It should be coming out here pretty darn soon.
Okay.
But what I'm doing is building some custom projects or custom products with good quality materials. And so what we've got today, a little bit, you can see, is our lovely home state of Tennessee here.
This is my favorite right here. Let's go Vols.
Yep. And so this is pecan and walnut alternating across, so two nutty trees, two of the hardwoods I really like to work with. This one is really cool.
Yeah, I love this right here, this grain you got going on.
So what this is maple.
Okay.
But what you have is you have walnut, or you have bird's eye maple, which are these little eyes right here. So if you can see that, that's bird's eye maple. But what they've done is when they mill it, then once you start cutting it like this, then they'll flip it and cut it like that, and that reveals the end grain. So each one of these little spots that you see is one of those. So they make this, so that's called curly maple. But this little spotting on here is from the ambrosia beetle. That's what this little hole is. So while the tree is in its point of decay, it'll burrow in there, and the beetle leaves this little secretion on the wood itself, so it stains it, and that's what you get. So this is actually ambrosia curly maple with...
It's one of a kind, that's what you're saying.
Pretty much, with cherry. And so that's what you've got on this one here. So they're fun.
Do you make to each order, or do you just sell? Like if somebody had a custom idea, do you do stuff like that?
Yeah, I'll do both.
Well, the reason why I say that, I came to him with the custom idea, and he built it out. Now with these are kind of what you make and you sell them.
Yeah, these are just when I'm in the shop and I've got some time, I'll just play around and make some of these things, and then they go up onto the site and they'll be available for sale.
All right, man. Thanks, Ron. I appreciate you. We love having you. And like I said, reach out to him. Christmas is coming. This looks like a good, what do they call it, charcuterie board kind of deal. You do charcuterie boards?
Yeah, we'll do live
Sarah
edge,
loves charcuterie board. We got like 10 of them out there. But Christmas is coming. Great gifts. And reach out to Ron. All right. Have a blessed day.